Tasyaravindanayanasya padaravindam kinjalkamishratulasi makarandavayuhum antargatasvavivarena chakaradesha sanchobhamaksharajusham apichittatanvu. The four Kumaras, they didn't know what this Sevananda means. But because of the fragrance coming from the pure devotee, Tulasi Devi, and because of the fragrance coming from the transcendental body of the Lord himself, then the four Kumaras got to know, so this is Sevananda. They have experienced it. We have an opportunity now. Bhagavan is giving, Sri Guru and Gauranga are giving us an opportunity. Sevananda to Bhagavan. Cheto darpanamarjanam bhavamahadavagni nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadu Jeevanam Anandam Buddhivartanam Pratipadam Purna Amrita Asvadanam Sarvatmasnavanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. That starts with what? Cheto Darpanamarjanam. I and my, the bestest recipe for misery, that is gone when Sri Harinam Prabhu cleanses us of I and my. And then what all stays within us is, when we are filled with Krishna, 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 hey. Krishna, 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 hey. When we are filled like that inside, only then the misery is gone. Let Krishna be who he is, the enjoyer and the controller, the proprietor. I'm simply very grateful. I'm a piece of trash. But because of the mercy of Guru and Gauranga, they are giving me this little service. Then with that, rest of the things happen. Pavamahadavagni Nirvapanam will happen. Pratipadam Purna Amrita Asvadanam also will happen. Nam Namakari Bahudam Nija Sarva Shaktis Tatrarpitanyamita Smaranena Kalam Etattrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mamapi Dutaiva Mitrishamiha Chinina Anuranga Trinadapi Sunichina Taroreva Sahishana Amani Namanadena Kirtaniya Sadhari Nadanam Najanam Nasundarim Kavitam Vachakatisha Kamahi Mama Janmani Janmanishvari Bhavatam Bhaktiya Hai Tukitvayi Ayinanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Mam Vishami Bhavam Budau Kripayam Tava Pada Pankajam Srita Dhuli Sadrasham Vichintayam. All this happens when we turn towards Nam Prabhu. Nayanam Galadashrudharaya Vadanam Gadgadaruddhaya Giram Pulakair Nichitair Vapukada Tavanama Grihane Bhavishyati. Asakti and Bhava to the Nam Prabhu. This is where the spiritual body is growing, in the japa with the Nama. Yugaitam nimishena chakshusha pravarshaitam shunyaitam jagat sarvam govindaviraheenam aslishya vapadaratam pinastumam adarshanam marmahatam karotuvam yada tatha vidadhatav lampatum matprananadastu sayeva naparaha prananada. Hey Gopinada. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Let others be happy. Let others be joyful. Let them get what all they have to get from Bhagavan. Let them. It's okay. We will also get it. Bhagavan will give us also. Let them get. Let them get the mercy. Bhagavan will give me the mercy too. That we should think. Then the happiness, the joy will come. Then the rest of the things will happen. Then Tattva will sit. Then we will see everything in reality. Then Nama becomes our prana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever hears and or recites this Sri Sikshashtakam given by Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Dharamatya sarvasreshtam nam samkirtana niraparadhana malaile paye premadanam atayeva nama matram vaishnavera dharma name prasputita hoile rupa guna karma. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. प्रेम से को श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान की